Whether it's solving problems or creating innovations for people and society, engineers, computer scientists, and biomedical scientists all use a series of stages. These stages are part of what's called a design process. It guides them as they develop their ideas and solutions. The design process is a systematic problem-solving strategy that designers follow to come up with a solution to a problem. Because potential solutions are repeatedly tested and improved upon, the design process is considered iterative. This means it repeats itself. It is very common for designers to go back to an earlier step in the process to make a modification or change to improve their design. Let's look at the steps of the design process. The first stage in the design process is to identify a problem or an opportunity. As part of this stage, designers investigate the problem or opportunity by asking questions such as, who says it's a problem? What are the needs and wants of those involved? And are there any prior solutions to this problem? Once the problem is validated and justified, designers proceed to identify and document the design requirements. This encourages them to think of all the aspects of the problem prior to attempting a solution. Generating concepts occurs in the second stage of the design process. In this stage, designers research past solutions and brainstorm new ideas. Designers capture all the ideas the team can generate. Team members are encouraged to contribute to the creative process without any judgment. This helps avoid losing any valuable ideas along the way. During the brainstorming process, designers may uncover additional goals that can improve the design. Once designers have generated multiple possible solutions, they compare the solutions based on specific criteria. The team narrows down their choices to a few, or if possible, one optimal design solution. In the third stage of the design process, the team takes the chosen idea and designs a solution. Designers create a detailed design using technical drawings and models. The drawings and models provide the technical information necessary to produce a solution. Developing and testing a solution that follows the design occurs in the fourth stage of the design process. Designers build and test their solution's performance, usability, and durability. They collect and analyze all of the test data. If the test data indicates that there's a flaw in the design, the designers must then return to a previous step in the design process to modify or improve their design. Remember, each step of the design process is documented in the design notebook. This provides chronological documentation of the team's entire design process. The fifth step of the design process involves evaluating the design solution itself. In this step, designers test the solution's effectiveness, reflect on their design, and recommend any potential improvements. Designers can choose to return to any previous stage of the design process to make necessary modifications or improvements. The final stage of the design process is to present the solution. Designers deliver a formal presentation of their solution and share their project documentation with users and stakeholders. Although we have presented the design process in a somewhat linear model, the path from identifying a problem all the way to presenting a solution is rarely straightforward. The process can be messy, while designers constantly evaluate, reflect, redefine, and redesign their solution. It is common to repeat stages of the design process several times before an optimal solution is found. Now that you know what a design process is, start thinking about how you can apply it to your work in this unit.